Rude boy, and Rudy are slang terms that originated in 1950s and 1960s Jamaican street culture, and that are still used today. What does rude boy mean in Jamaica? In Jamaica, a member of a group of artists who dress in a classy or classic way, or working class teenagers that are drawn to a streetwise lifestyle in the 1950s and 1960s. Some are noted for listening to ska music, and for feisty attitudes. They inspired the later rude boy fashion in Britain, also called Rudy. Where did rude boy come from? With super sharp looks, and a whole load of attitude, rude boys came swaggering into the British youth scene. With their roots in Jamaica, UK youth movements were quickly inspired, and before long people dancing to ska and reggae. What did rude boys wear? An embodiment of their nation's independence, the original rude boy was self-assured and streetwise. Rude boys donned a uniform of trilby and pork pie hats, sharp tonic suits, double-breasted blazers and patent brogues. What are rudies? A rude boy's attire would include a white button-up, and thin tie under a closed black blazer top, with matching dress pants, a black fedora with an occasional white stripe of fabric, and to top it off, sunglasses and classy skankin' boots or loafers. They wanted to live the big life, and aspired to the finer things, so they dressed in fine suits, thin ties, sunglasses, and pork pie or trilby hats, and rudies weren't shy about voicing their opinions on inequalities. Rude boy fashion has become a permanent staple of street fashion, encompassing a wide range of styles that boil down to a few common denominators: hats, suits and stylish shoes. The suit in particular has been given their own unique twist. Deeply rooted in Jamaican urban culture, the rude boy genre of music, dance, film, and the arts, has positively impacted social attitudes across the world, bringing people from different cultures together. Certain types of rude boy gives people the complete gentleman vibe, while others portray an inner-city Jamaican experience, the fashion, the rude boy talk, the walk, and also the pride.